My name is Tarani Mureni. Okay, let me see the mission, vision and objective of our Victoria Bakers. The mission of Victoria Bakers aims to achieve sales target and build strong market position. And the vision, we intend to provide our customer with the best cupcake made from scratch that come with many flavors from different sweet and ingredient exported from all over the world. We want our customer to feel more satisfied with our service. And the objective, provide goods and services to our customer with professional. Second, to provide customer with affordable product profitably. Third, to customize our product to the need of our customer. To establish a good relationship with suppliers like National Food Ltd. And to nurture integrity in our employees. And the executive summary of Victoria Bakers. First of all, the company. Victoria Bakers is a bakery that is managed by 5 business partners who have passion for baking. Every partner has a different responsibility to make the business work. Finances and sales management are divided between the 5, so they are easier to conquer the business. The partners are starting off with using their savings to fund of this in needs of the business for a couple of months, and then profit should start to arrive. Victoria Bakers will be successful because of the lack of competition in this area. Second, product and services. For product and services, Victoria Bakers will be offered with a variety of flavors, frosting, sizes, styles and toppings and decoration. We make fresh product every day and the customer will always purchase a product that was after the order. Our baker goods will always be available to our material that are stocked. Third, the market. In Butterworth, there are 2 bakery shops where you can get cupcakes. These are usually big corporations and don't put as much. Hi, my name is Tarani Mureni. Okay, let me see the mission, vision and objective of our Victoria Bakers. The mission of Victoria Bakers aims to achieve sales target and build strong market position. And the vision, we intend to provide our customer with the best cupcake made from scratch that come with many flavors from different sweet and ingredient exported from all over the world. We want our customer to feel more satisfied with our service. And the objective, provide goods and services to our customer with professional. Second, to provide customer with affordable product profitably. Third, to customize our product to the need of our customer. To establish a good relationship with suppliers like National Food Ltd. And to nurture integrity in our employees. And the executive summary of Victoria Bakers. First of all, the company. Victoria Bakers is a bakery that is managed by 5 business partners who have passion for baking. Every partner has a different responsibility to make the business work. Finances and sales management are divided between the 5, so they are easier to conquer the business. The partners are starting off with using their savings to fund of this in needs of the business for a couple of months, and then profit should start to arrive. Victoria Bakers will be successful because of the lack of competition in this area. Second, product and services. For product and services, Victoria Bakers will be offered with a variety of flavors, frosting, sizes, styles and toppings and decoration. We make fresh product every day and the customer will always purchase a product that was after the order. Our baker goods will always be available to our material that are stocked. Third, the market. In Butterworth, there are 2 bakery shops where you can get cupcakes. These are usually big corporations and don't and don't put as much as strategy, Victoria Bakers will succeed by offering customer high quality cupcake with personal service at a reasonable price. Introduction of Victoria Bakers. Victoria Bakers Cupcake is a bakery that we take pride in satisfying every customer with every bite of our delicious treat. We are in across from Butterwood, Penang. Victoria Bakers employees provide a welcoming environment right when you walk through the door. We offer a variety of delicious special cupcakes. Our company has the intention of becoming very successful with a diverse range of customers from business needing catering to birthday parties. The purpose of preparing business plan of our cupcake is the cupcake business operates on a business model similar to a bakery in terms of production and product turnaround. The cupcake business, however, targets specific niches and requires a focused approach to sales, setting marketing and sales goals that will drive revenue and that will encourage repeat. The business will set the range for a successful business. Anyone can make a cupcake for a reasonably low cost. The wow factor really plays in the corner cupcake business. Focus on unique flavors and toppings that have shelf appeal. Building marketing objective to introduce new flavors to your exciting customer base along with the potential new customer will drive business. Company background of Victoria Bakers. Victoria Bakers Cupcake was newly opened in 10 October 2021 and it was fully operated for almost a couple of months since then. The shop was fully organized by a student, Sangeeta, Orisha, Devanantini, Devanraj and Sharvin. And our product of cupcake is guaranteed to 100% halal. Our shop is located at Butterwood, Penang, and it was known for our deliciously affordable cupcake. In Italy, la dolce means the cake, while in English it is sweet. It's suitable with our cupcake. We love everything to spread the sweetness to you. Victoria Baker Cupcake is the place to come when you want delicious ornament cupcake. We surround each one of our cupcake in a beautiful cupcake wrapper. We can create a beautiful cupcake stand for your bridal shower or other special event, and we also do a corporate event. With our tagline, things go better with our cupcakes. We want to make our customers satisfied with our product. To be the most known brand of cupcake worldwide has been our mission since the shop was opened. To achieve that, we have made our vision to bake halal and easily affordable cupcake and have our outlets open all over Malaysia. It sure seems to be too ambitious, but we believe that we can turn our ambition to really if we really put a lot of effort on it. Last but not least, underlining magic or tagline of Victoria Bakers is things go better with cupcakes. The reason we choose this slogan is cupcakes are small, tasty snack cakes that are favored for their portability and portion control. They are better cakes baked in a cup-shaped foil or temperature-resistant paper. A cupcake can be prepared from a variety of formulations and can be decorated with a cream and icing. Its composition is not that different from traditional high-ratio layer cakes. The only difference the cupcake higher better viscosity, an important aspect to better processing and baking tolerances. Finally, business location of our Victoria Bakers is located at Butterworth, Penang, as you all can see in this map. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Singer Sivalingam and I am the owner of the Victoria Bakers. I would like to talk about the ownership background of our Victoria Bakers. The Victoria Bakers is a student-run business by Sangeeta, Orisha, Devanantini, Devanraj and Sharvin that aims to provide community delicious handmade custom cupcakes made right from their houses. Then the Victoria Bakers served the community on 10 October 2021. This shop is located across from Butterworth, Penang. Our objective is to achieve sales target in the first year to build a strong market position. And the business plan is for Victoria Bakers to run with a more effective version. As you can see here, these are the background of our Victoria Bakers partners of 5. We list up the details of our Victoria Bakers partners of 5, which is name, address, IC number, telephone number, email, date of birth, status, and academic qualification. The next is project background. The Victoria Bakers is a land diverse in a cupcake. Cupcake is the most popular in today's generation, which wandered in teenage largest. The most people didn't pay attention for cupcake bakers, which leads to loss in cupcakes business. The cupcake we made is 100% certificate and worth to buy. Cupcakes come in many varieties and sizes, but there are a few factors that are always the same. Cupcakes are generally baked in muffin pans that are lined with baking paper. They are small and are usually frosted and decorated. The best thing about cupcakes is that you can be as basic as unique as you want with them. Almost any type of cupcake can be made into a cupcake with some tweaks of the recipe and a little ingenuity. Furthermore, I would like to talk about the organizational structure. What is organizational structure? For a business plan, the organizational structure section should discuss whether your business will be a sole proprietor, limited liability corporation, or corporation who will run your business, each person responsibility, and how your business will expand if needed. Organizational structure to highlight the company structure and the hierarchy of the reporting relationships. An effective way to present your organization structure and management in your business plan. These are the organizational chart of our Victoria Bakers. I'm Sangeeta and I'm the owner of the Victoria Bakers, followed by Monisha as a bakery manager, Devalini as an accountant or cashier, and Devan Raj as a sales and marketing manager, and the last, Sharwin as a human resources and admin manager. Next is job roles and responsibility of us. The responsibility of Chief Baker or Chief Executive Officer, which is CEO owner, is to increase management effectiveness by recruiting, selecting, orienting, training, coaching or counseling and disciplining managers, communicating values, strategies and objectives, assigning accountabilities, planning, monitoring and appraising job results, developing a climate for offering information and options, providing educational opportunities, creating, communicating and implementing the organization vision, mission and overall direction, leading the development and implementation of the overall organization strategy, responsible for fixing price and singing business deals, responsible for providing direction for the business, responsible for singing checks and documentation on behalf of the company, as well as the success of the organization. The job roles and responsibility of bakery manager is responsible for overseeing the smooth running of the bakery, part of the team that determines the quantity of cupcakes that are to be produced daily, make lists and budget for bakery supplies, oversee the entire bakery process, responsible for training new bakers, make sure that quality is always maintained, map out strategy that will lead to efficiency amongst workers in the bakery, responsible for training, evaluation and assessment of the workforce, ensure that the steady flow of both raw material, which is flour, sugar, foils and other packaging materials to the bakery and easy flow to finished products, cupcakes through all sales distributors and retailers to make the market. Ensure the operation of equipment by completing representative maintenance requirements, calling for repairs. Ensure that the bakery always meets the expected safety and health standard. Human resource and admin manager job roles and responsibilities are responsible for overseeing the smooth running of HR and administrative tasks for the organization. Updates the job knowledge by participating in educational opportunities, reading professional publications, maintaining personal networks, participating in professional organizations, adjust department and organization reputation by accepting ownership for accomplishing new and different requirements. Exploring opportunities to add value to job accomplishment, defines job position for requirement and managing interviewing process, carrying out staff induction for new team members, responsible for training, evaluation and assessment of employees, oversee the smooth running of the daily business activities. Moreover, the job roles and responsibilities of sales and marketing manager are manage external research and coordinate all the internal sources of information to retain the organization-based customers and attract new ones. Model demographic information and analyze the values of transaction data generated by customer purchase, identify priorities, and reaches out to new partners and businesses opportunities. Responsible for servicing implementation, advocate for the customer's needs, and communicate with customers. Develops, executes, and evaluates new plans for expanding increases sales. Documents all the customer's contact and information. Represent the company in strategic meetings. Last but not least, the job roles and responsibilities of account and cashier are responsible for preparing financial reports, budgets, and financial statement for the organization, provide management with financial analysis, development budgets and accounting reports, analyze financial flexibility for the most complex proposed projects, conducts market research to forecast trends and business conditions. Furthermore, responsible for financial forecasting and risk analysis, perform cash management, general ledger accounting, and financial reporting, responsible for developing and managing financial system and policies, responsible for administrating roles, ensure compliance with taxation regulation, handles all financial transactions for the organization. Cashier also serve as internal auditor for the organization. The next I would like to talk about is marketing plan of Victoria Bakers. The marketing plan of the Victoria Bakers is Victoria Bakers will focus on the company's unique value proposition, which is offering organic, high quality cupcakes and offering a convenient location that offers both. The next is promotion strategy. The promotion strategy of our Victoria Bakers is the Victoria Bakers expects its target market to be individuals, working students, and or living within a 5-mile radius of each of its bakery. The company's promotion strategy to reach these individuals includes the Victoria Bakers will blanket neighborhoods surrounding its location with direct mail pieces. These pieces will provide general information on the Victoria Bakers, offer discounts, or provide other documents for people to frequent the bakery.
My name is Monisha Shanmuganathan. I'm from class DLS 4B and Commerce Department, and I'm the bakery manager of Victoria Bakers. This one is direct mail. We will contact a local and area newspaper and television station to tell them about the opening and unique value proposition of Victoria Bakers. And then the Victoria Bakers will initially advertise in local newspaper and sponsor community events in order to gain awareness. Advertisement. Victoria Baker employees will initially give free food samples to pass by to enable them to taste the quality of our products and learn about us. And then Victoria Bakers will maintain a social media and publish a monthly email newsletter to tell customers about new events, products, and more. The next one is pricing strategy. The Victoria Bakers pricing will be moderate so customers feel they receive great value when patronizing the bakery. And the next one is pricing goods. The following is a list of what it costs us to make 1 cupcake and 12 cupcakes. Next one, sales strategy. Our price is more expensive because of the quality of our cupcakes, the experience the customer receives in our store, and how much it costs us to make it. And the next one is service and warranty. Policies, freshness always. For advertising and promotion, we have official Facebook account. For Facebook, we create an account named Victoria Bakers and we are running a successful business in this platform. Many people have received their orders safely from this platform, and Facebook being such a great platform to run our business there. And the next one is Instagram. For Instagram, we have a same account as FB named Victoria Bakers. In Instagram, we feel free to attract the customers to buy our delicious cupcakes, and this platform being such an useful to run our business. And the next one is WhatsApp web. The main reason we provide WhatsApp is certain people didn't have Facebook or Instagram. So we also open an official account only for Victoria Bakers, and it made many people to trust us more. The next one is distribution. We do not do shipping unless the order is over 200 cupcakes, and there is a fee of 1 ringgit per mile driving to the destination. Okay, the item and brand is La Vanilla Cupcakes, Macarons, Summer Dessert Bakery, and for the price it will be 5 ringgit to 15 ringgit and 7 ringgit to 20 ringgit, 3 ringgit to 50 ringgit. And also it's best with, we provide low fat cupcake, which is a big win for girls with a sweet tooth craving, 10% discounts for students if dine in, and also the Swiss rolls are the best seller item. And for the packaging, cupcake box with windows, white color, cavity transparent cupcake box, and also we got fancy box cupcakes. And the next one, taste and appearance. We serves in a variety of fillings and toppings. Similarly to cupcakes, La Vanilla serves a wide range of customizable cupcakes and also sweet and meltingly smooth cupcakes. Here are the competitors who sell cupcakes around Penang. First one is La Vanilla, cupcakes and macarons. The product they sell is cupcake and macarons. Advantages is strategic business area, college and fast service. Defense is limited flavors only. The second one is Summer Dessert Bakery. The product they sell is only cupcakes, and their advantages is strategic business area, near school and fast service. Their defense is prices are more expensive than other stores and less palatable taste. Is product order. We get orders from our Instagram and Facebook accounts and WhatsApp account. And the next one is marketplace. Our product produced in a Victoria Bakers companies have entered only in West Malaysia. And number 3 is people. Not only kids excited about our product, but adults, senior citizens are also having fun and being happy because they are like cupcakes. The next is our target market. When it comes to retailing cupcakes, there is indeed a wide range of available customers. In essence, our target market can't be restricted to just a group of people, but all those who love cupcakes and those who would want to try it out. One thing is certain: there are no restrictions to the demographic and psychographic composition of the target market for cupcakes, parties, baby shower, and a whole lot of events and parties. This goes to show that the target market for cupcake is wide and far-reaching. You can create your own, make nice choice to yourself to serve a specific purpose. In a view of that, we have conducted our market research. We have ideas of what our target market will be expecting from us. We are in a business to engage in wholesale distribution and to retail a wide range of cupcake flowers to the following group of people. Our competitive advantage. First and foremost, the fact that anybody with baking skills can decide to start cupcake business means that the business is open to all and sundry. Hence, it is expected that there will be high level of competition in the industry. There is hardly any busy community or even street that you won't find one more people retailing cupcakes. As a cupcake baking and retailing business, and the nature of existing competitors, so also the wide varieties of cupcake flavors at the product we produce, all our large robust distribution network, and of course our excellent customer service culture will definitely count as a strong strength for the business. One thing is certain: we will ensure that in the future we open our outlets in various cities in the United States of America and also sell our franchise. With that, our brand will be well communicated and expanded nationally. The next is pricing strategy. When it comes to pricing for products such as cupcakes, there are no hard and fast rules. The price depends on the size and packaging. Generally, the price for cupcakes and similar products like cookies and confectioneries are affordable, hence there is no need to employ any detailed strategy when it comes to fixing price. In view of that, we have to put in place business strategies that will help us to run on low profit for a period of 6 months. It is a way of encouraging people to buy into our brands. Payment option. Victoria Bakers, our payment policy is all inclusive because we are quite aware that different people prefer different payment option as it suits them. Here are the payment option that will be available in every of our outlets. Payment by cash, payment via point of sale, POS, machine payment via online bank, transfer online payment portal, payment via mobile money. Thank you. When it comes to starting up a cupcake business, its factors influence that amount that will be required to successfully launch the business. Factors like the location you intend starting the business, the size of cupcake business you want to start, is the number of outlets, shops, and of course the state of the economy as at when you intend start the business. We know that no matter where we intend starting our cupcake business, we will be required to fulfill most of the items listed below. Next is design and development plan. Timeline. Test new products quarterly. Remove a cupcake from the menu if it does not sell well within those 4 months. And the next is product improvement. Testing. Continually test cupcake flavors. Get feedback from customers. Check quality of cupcake every time. And the third is cost. There is no additional cost to develop a new cupcake. We only add new flavors once every 4 months.
Hello everyone, my name is Divinraj Armugam. Now I would like to present about design and develop plans. And first is timeline. Test new products quarterly. Remove a cupcake from a menu if it does not sell within those 4 months. The second is product improvement testing, and continuously test cupcake flavors, get feedback from customers, check quality of cupcakes every time. Cost. There is no additional cost to develop a new cupcakes. We only add new flavors once every 4 months. Okay, the next is manufacturing and operational plan. The operation cycle. We bake 20 dozen cupcakes every day. Our cupcakes stay fresh for 5 days. The next is geographical location, and our business is at Butterworth and Penang. And next is manufacturing. We make all our cupcakes in our store, so we will not need to manufacture somewhere else. Quality controls. We use the freshest and finest ingredients. We use a tracking system for cupcakes sold each day. Cupcakes are in a temperature controlled environment. Each cupcake is checked before it is sold. Okay, the table below is showing facilities and equipment needs, and the total cost for the equipments and facilities is RM 26,291 ringgit and 73 cents. Now I would like to present about financial plan. The first is revenue and cost drivers. Victoria Bakers revenue will come from the sales of natural and 17,921. 2023 next income is 23,126, and next year 2024 and income is 28,331, and the last is 2025 and the income 38,744. Okay, this table is showing us 5 years annual balance sheets. The function of this table is to show total current assets, total current liabilities, and total assets and total liabilities. And the table below showing us total sales, total cost of goods sold, total expenses, and next income. Okay, the last is break even. As you can see, we have already break even on our first month. To continue to break even, we need to sell 20,100 cupcakes a year, that is 67 cupcakes a day. Thank you. Will come from the sales of natural and organic food product to this customer. The Victoria Bakers has dine-in, takeout, and possibly deliver system to cater to a broad spectrum of customer in its target market. Okay, the next is capital requirement and full of funds. Victoria Bakers is seeking a total funding of 25,000 to launch the store. The capital will be used for founding capital expenditure, manpower costs, marketing expenses, and working capitals. Okay, next, specifically this fund will be used as follows: store design bill RM 12,500, working capital 12,500 to pay for marketing, salaries, and lease costs until Victoria Bakers reach break even. Okay, the table is showing assumption. There are 3 columns, and first column number of customers per days, and second column per location, and third column number of location started. Okay, the next table is 5 years annual income statement, and year 2021 next income 12,716, and 2022 year 17,921. 2023 next income.
Hi, my name is Sharwin. I'm from DLS 4B. My matrix card number is 10 DLF 19F2031, and this is my matric card. Okay, so now I'm going to talk to you about gross and operating margins. So as you can see, gross margin is 3 ringgit 75 cents to 68 cents, and after that the per cupcake is estimatedly the price is 3 ringgit 7 cents. Okay, operating margin for the month of December 2021, RM 4679 equals to 1875, and then each cupcake is 2 ringgit 50 cents. So 3 ringgit 7 cents to 2 ringgit 50 cents is 57 cents. Total operating margin, that gives us a profit of 1,776 cents. 76 ringgit and 93 cents for the month of December. So below, as you can see below, is the breakdown for the whole year of 2021. The table I can show you over here. So after that, the following are the operating margins for the next 5 years. And then we have profit potential. As long as we sell 67 cupcakes a day, we will always break even. So that's our profit potential. And we have fixed cost and variable cost, which is rent. Fixed cost is rent, advertising, salaries, insurance, taxes. So at the other end, we have variable cost, which is electric, heat, food loss, waste, supplies, ingredients, labor. So after that, we have proposed company offering. Financing breakdown of funds. We are asking for a loan from the bank for a total of 25,000. The 25,000 will all go towards the equipment needed for the store. As stated earlier, this is what we need. This is needed. So as you can see, there's a table over there. You can refer from that. After that, there's a payback. The bank will be paid back over a time period of 5 years. So if the loan is estimatedly in a 5 years time, so the payments will be RM 433 ringgit 32 cents a month, which adds off to 5,799,000 a year. This includes the interest of percentage, which is 6% interest that was added. So every time we have a loan, there will be interest in our loan. So that's it. So that's the 6%. So I'm providing you my project schedule, fraction and milestone. The table will be over here. And then we have appendix, which is supporting document of our Instagram. So this is our Instagram account, as you can see. And after we having our supporting document of our Facebook. This is our Facebook page. So I have attached you my Facebook page. And then we have our WhatsApp document. So this is our WhatsApp document. And we also going to show our customers feedback that we really have a very good feedback from them. So these are the feedbacks that we are having. So at the conclusion, in this experiment, my hypotheses were all correct, plus I learned more about how each type of flour affected the certain cupcakes. Their all-purpose flour cupcakes were fluffy and very caked, like they had the second smoothest flour and had a good taste to them. The wheat flour cupcakes were very hearty and had almost a cornbread consistency to them. This flour was not a very smooth, but it was still soft and the cupcakes tasted good. The gluten-free flour cupcakes were interesting. They were thick and almost chewy. Like machine, they were the thickest cupcakes of all of them, yet had the thinnest batter and the smoothest flour. The gluten-free cupcakes tasted good also. So our cupcakes are very good, and I hope you guys have it and enjoy it. Thank you.